Welcome to the AI for Us2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. My 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and is uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. Anticipation within the cryptocurrency community is mounting as discussions surrounding the potential introduction of an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, gain momentum. Notably, Chad Steingraber, a prominent XRP enthusiast and professional game designer, has outlined a strategic roadmap that could unlock the true price potential of XRP. Steingraber's vision centers on the transformative impact that an XRP spot ETF could have on reshaping the dynamics of the XRP market. Central to Steingraber's strategic analysis is the introduction of an XRP spot ETF and its far-reaching effects on XRP's value. The process begins with the acquisition of XRP directly from public exchanges, a critical distinction given the nature of a spot ETF. In this case, funds are backed by the actual underlying asset, diverging from futures ETFs, which do not necessitate physical asset holdings. Subsequently, the purchased XRP tokens are locked up, typically under the care of a custodian, facilitating the issuance of derivative shares that attract a diverse range of investors, including institutions and the general public. One key outcome highlighted in Steingraber's analysis is the creation of scarcity in XRP's supply. The public purchases and subsequent locking up of XRP tokens contribute to a reduced availability of XRP. Coupled with escalating demand from both the ETF and the public, this scarcity factor sets the stage for an inevitable upward trajectory in XRP's market value. Moreover, Steingraber sheds light on the profile of investors expected to participate in the XRP ETF. Institutions and governments are anticipated to allocate significant funds to the ETF, emphasizing its potential as a long-term investment vehicle. Many investors engaging with the ETF are likely to adopt a strategic approach, holding their shares for decades, or even perpetually. This long-term commitment, combined with a constrained supply, could create a compelling market environment propelling XRP's value to unprecedented heights. Steingraber also underscores the role of market sentiment following the announcement of a legitimate XRP ETF. He points to a past instance where market dynamics swiftly reacted to ETF-related news, citing the example of XRP surging from $0.665 to over 72 cents in less than 30 minutes after a fraudulent BlackRock ETF filing was revealed in November. As the cryptocurrency community eagerly awaits further developments, the potential for an XRP ETF to reshape XRP's future and elevate its value remains a captivating topic, generating significant intrigue and anticipation. Xrp New News Update. Ripple's price has been engaged in an extended phase of sideways consolidation, exhibiting minor volatility. As the price approaches the confined space of a symmetrical triangle pattern, the likelihood of a notable move in either direction increases. Upon closer examination of the daily chart, a robust support zone emerges, encompassing the 100-day and 200-day moving averages, coupled with the lower boundary of the wedge at 58 cents. This level has proven to be a formidable barrier against multiple bearish attempts, indicating substantial demand. Notably, the recent formation of a golden cross, where the 100-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, signals a bullish outlook for Ripple's long-term prospects. Against this backdrop, as the price nears the narrowing section of the wedge, a breakout to the upside could trigger a sustained bullish trend, revitalizing demand in the market. Conversely, an unexpected breach below the critical support might set off a cascading effect, potentially leading to a substantial long squeeze event. A more granular analysis of the 4-hour chart emphasizes a significant support range between the crucial 0.561 cents to 0.61858 cents levels of the Fibonacci retracement. This range continues to serve as a robust defense against attempts by sellers to drive the price lower, contributing to the elongation of Ripple's sideways consolidation phase. Crucially, this pivotal support area aligns harmoniously with the lower boundary of the wedge, reinforcing its role as a resilient barrier against selling pressure. A potential dip below this critical support range could signify an impending significant downturn for XRP. However, given recent price movements and prevailing market sentiment, the more plausible scenario appears to be a breakout above the wedge pattern. If successful, the market could witness a substantial uptrend, with the target set on reclaiming the 74 cents resistance threshold. Xrp New News Update. Ripple currently holds approximately 45.90 billion XRP in escrow, not included in the circulating token supply. On January 1st, Ripple released 1 billion XRP, valued at $630 million, while retaining 20% of the total. Each month, Ripple allocates an additional 1 billion tokens, with a portion held in the company's treasury and the rest sold on the market. In January, 200 million XRP was withheld, maintaining a consistent practice. At the present moment, each token is valued at 63 cents, totaling approximately $126 million. This month, Ripple organized its selling activity by transferring 200 million XRP from Ripple 22 to Ripple 1. Both accounts are under the organization's control, with one designated as the unsealed escrow address and the other as the repository for liquid assets. In alignment with previous months in 2023, escrows for Ripple 22 and Ripple 23 have been completed. On January 1st, Ripple 22 transferred 500 million XRP to Ripple 1 and 300 million to Ripple 11. Notably, the latter account is used to initiate XRP into new escrows, with the 300 million set to be dispensed on May 1, 2027. Subsequently, Ripple 23 transferred the unlocked 500 million to Ripple 10, placed in escrow until June 1, 2027. As of March 1, 2024, both Ripple 22 and Ripple 23 continue to hold 2 billion XRP tokens in monthly escrows, set to expire within the next 2 weeks. Unlocking XRP represents a form of supply inflation. It's essential to understand that Ripple typically divests its holdings during strategically significant periods. These sell-offs constitute a substantial portion of the token's 24-hour trading volume, potentially influencing short-term price fluctuations. Xrp New News Update. As the lengthy legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, progresses into its fourth year, several key dates are on the horizon for observers to mark in the coming months. The SEC filed the lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020, alleging that XRP is a security under U.S. laws and accusing Ripple founders Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen of violating securities regulations. In recent developments, Ripple has secured notable victories, including a U.S. District Court ruling in July, which determined that XRP transactions by everyday investors did not constitute securities transactions. This pivotal decision led to the relisting of XRP on multiple exchanges and a subsequent surge in the cryptocurrency's value. In a surprising move in October, the SEC withdrew its pending lawsuits against Garlinghouse and Larsen, sparking optimism that a settlement between Ripple and the regulator might be on the horizon. However, reaching a settlement could take some time, as the court's July ruling also affirmed that direct sales of XRP by Ripple to institutional investors might qualify as securities transactions. This issue remains central to the ongoing dispute and is likely to be a key factor in any potential resolution. As the legal proceedings continue, court documents reveal crucial dates for XRP holders to monitor in the first quarter of 2024. The first significant date is February 12, 2024, which serves as the deadline for both parties to complete remedies-related discovery. This phase allows Ripple and the SEC to share potential remedies and solutions to address the ongoing dispute. The SEC is expected to file its remedies brief on March 13, 2024, followed by Ripple's opposition on April 12, 2024. The SEC will then have until April 29, 2024, to respond to Ripple's opposition. The successful completion of this discovery phase could pave the way for a resolution between Ripple and the SEC, potentially bringing the lawsuit to a conclusion. Ripple's legal team anticipates a settlement in 2024, making such an outcome more likely. The potential impact of a full settlement between Ripple and the SEC on the price of XRP remains a subject of speculation. Only time will reveal how the cryptocurrency's price will react to such a significant development. AI Xrp New News Update. Ripple, XRP, has undergone consolidation, forming a symmetric triangle pattern, and the market sentiment remains optimistic, suggesting a potential bullish breakout. XRP has joined other altcoins in positive territory, poised for a rally as anticipation builds around the possible approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. As most altcoins show gains on the daily time frame, the optimism is linked to the opening window for spot BTC ETF approvals from January 2nd to 3. Analysts from Bloomberg Intelligence, James Seifert, and Eric Balchunas, predict a hard deadline for approvals between January 5 to 10, with a 90% likelihood of approval. XRP is positioned among the altcoins expected to benefit from these potential approvals, with a 65% increase in trading volume for the remittance token. XRP's price consolidation, ranging between $0.5773 and $0.6644, has resulted in the formation of a symmetric triangle on the weekly time frame. Notably, XRP trades above the centerline of a Bollinger Bands indicator at $0.5719, a positive sign for bulls, especially as volatility is optimal. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, outlook indicates rising momentum, supported by the positive territory position of the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Awesome Oscillator, AO, indicators. If buying pressure increases, XRP's price could break above the upper boundary of the triangle, flipping the $0.6644 resistance to a support level. Further upward movement could see XRP overcome resistance at the upper band of the Bollinger indicator at $0.6968 before targeting the forecasted $0.7000 and potentially reaching $0.7515. In an extremely bullish scenario, XRP may test $0.8516, a level not seen since July 2023. On the daily timeframe, XRP enjoys strong support from the lower boundary of the wedge and the 200-day moving average, MA. The golden cross between the 100-day SMA and the 200-day MA on December 29 suggests a bullish outlook for XRP's long-term prospects. As XRP approaches the narrowing end of the symmetric triangle, increased buyer momentum could lead to a breakout, initiating a sustained bullish trend. Conversely, a drop below the $0.5773 support on the weekly timeframe, invalidating the bullish thesis, might lead to further downward movement, testing the $0.4615 support and potentially the lower band of the Bollinger indicator at $0.4471. Traders should be cautious, as the ascending wedge pattern, if breached below the lower boundary, signals a bearish trend reversal and could trigger a cascading effect, possibly leading to a long squeeze. AI Precious Metals New News Updates. Gold and silver prices have experienced a slight uptick in early trading this Tuesday. The market exhibits a subdued risk appetite on the first trading day of 2024, with gold trading at $2,067.20, marking an increase of $4.22. Silver is priced at $23.92, showing a rise of 12 cents. A notable development in the retail sector is Walmart's entry into the precious metals market, following in the footsteps of Costco. Walmart now offers a variety of gold products online, indicating a significant shift in the retail landscape towards precious metals. This move aligns with the recent surge in gold prices to new highs, propelled by intense speculations about Federal Reserve rate cuts. The entry of Walmart into this market follows Costco's revelation of over $100 million in gold sales within a quarter, underscoring robust consumer demand for gold bars. Critics interpret this trend as part of a broader financial shift, with major retailers seizing the opportunity presented by the growing interest in gold as an investment. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.